Are you looking for a free and open source RAG platform letting you chat with your documents through agentic search you fully control? OpenRAG is a single package RAG platform built by the Langflow team. Instead of wiring a RAG stack from scratch, it bundles 3 proven open source projects, Langflow, OpenSearch and DocLink, into one deployable system. You upload your documents and chat with your knowledge base, with cited sources in minutes. And that's just the surface. We'll get into everything it can do in the overview. OpenRAG is entirely free with no cloud tier and no feature gates. You bring your own LLM key and only pay for token consumption. And IBM offers an optional paid elite support plan for enterprises. Since OpenRAG is open source, you can self-host it for free by following the official documentation. Or use a platform like ours, Elestio, to deploy it seamlessly on your server or the cloud provider of your choice. We handle the installation, backups, updates and ongoing maintenance for you. To start using OpenRAG on our platform, head to ls.io and click on Login. Then deploy my first service, search for OpenRAG and select. Choose between the different cloud providers available, then the region, and choose between the different service plans available. Then next. On the final screen, you can rename your service, adjust more advanced settings, and choose between the different level of support we provide. The first one is free and included by default. Once ready, hit the Create Service button. Once the installation is finished, you receive this email telling you that your new service is ready. Let's follow the Get Password link. You arrive on Elestio administration dashboard for your OpenRAG service. The username will be root, the password copy it to your clipboard, and open the admin UI link to open OpenRAG. Type your credentials and sign in. For the setup, multiple LLM providers are available: Anthropic, OpenAI, IBM, and Ollama. I will choose OpenAI. I paste my API key. In advanced settings, I'm able to pick a different model if I want to. I will stick to the default and then complete. Let's get started by setting up your LLM provider. So it's been able to connect to it, and then you need to choose an embedding provider. So you can choose a different provider, but I will stick to OpenAI. Validating API key. It worked. Again, advanced settings, and you can choose between the different model, small, large, or ADA. I will stick to the default and complete. Now on the third step, we can follow a getting started tutorial, or on the bottom right, you can skip it, depending on if you are familiar with it. But we are here for a demo, so let's follow. What is OpenRAG? It's explaining us it's an open source package for building agentic RAG systems. It is not another RAG framework you code against. It's one pre-packaged platform that wires 3 best-in-class projects together: Langflow, OpenSearch, and DocLink. To discover what it's capable of doing, let's add a document. I've prepared some demo files with AI. I have a specification sheet, handbook, and the business review. Let's start with this one, as I can select all of them right now. Open. It's processing the file. Done. And here it's asking me how can I assist. And here the questions that are generated are based on the content of my file, what has been discovered inside it. You can see the file is pre-selected. So let's simply select one of the questions it got. All right, we ask for the Q2 revenue breakdown by region. It's showing us the answer with North America, Middle East, and so on. And it's showing us from where it got the answer. Perfect, we are onboarded. Let's push it a bit further by uploading more documents, as the onboarding let us only upload 1 document. Go to knowledge. Here we have our existing document. Let's select file. You can also upload a full folder. We want to upload the 2 first, but when you select file, it's 1 by 1. So let's do it. And the handbook. You can see it's currently processing the file I'm uploading. You have the number of chunk of a document. You can see the average score, what model was used. And if you press the 3 dots on the right, you can view the chunks. showing you how it split the document with the data, so it's able to fetch it easily. Uploading files manually is a solution, but in the AI era, you want to automate things as much as possible. So if you go to settings, you can add connectors. You have Google Drive, OneDrive, and SharePoint. So you don't have to worry if you added your files to OpenRAG and which are not. You have them in your folders and it's set up automatically. Now let's get back to the chat. This time we don't specify a specific file. And let's try a cross-file question. So 2 engineers are flying to Berlin to demo the AR500 at a trade show. So this question is a bit about the employee handbook. What certification do they need? What's their daily meal allowance? And what's the robot shipping weight? So this one is technical specification. So it's cross documents. Let's try it and see what the answer will be. And here we are. We have the answer specifying us they need the field demo safety certification, the daily meal allowance, and what is the AR500 shipping weight. And it got the answer from the 3 documents. We have a super fast and accurate answer. Chat is one way to discuss with your data, but more and more you don't want to switch between different tools daily. For that, you can install OpenRAG MCP, allowing you to use it from your main AI companion, being Claude, Ollama, or ChatGPT, as well as using the API to integrate with your tech stack. You can always add other AI providers and change across the way. And then in Langflow, you can change the way the data ingestion is done, choosing which model and adjusting different parameters. So you really tailor the behavior of your OpenRAG to match what works best for you and your data. You can't invite other users to your OpenRAG instance as there is no proper login flow or teams. You can share the main credentials or define API keys so they can use it through MCP. As always, to dive deeper into the software, I highly recommend you to have a quick look at the documentation for features I didn't cover in the overview or to get more specific details that matter to your needs. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed discovering OpenRAG with us. Please hit the like button to help our channel be more visible to other open source lovers. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss our next platform overviews. If you want to continue your open source journey, watch this video available here.